Everyone, welcome back to my channel Go Dynamic IT. Today we are talking about a problem lots of people face running out of space on Microsoft OneDrive. Whether you have used up your 5 GB storage or just need room for your stuff, you are in the right place. We will check out different OneDrive plan to see which one work best for you, whether it's personal or business use. So without with a further delay, let's get into the video. We will go to our browser. We can go to any browser and just type OneDrive on the Google. And when you type OneDrive, just type OneDrive plans. And when you type OneDrive plans, you get a plenty of option here. But you can see the first option which I could see on my screen is cloud storage pricing and plan. So just right click and it will take you to the different web page. And here you can see here. This is about our plan, and you can see this blue is the home, right? So let's first discuss about the home plan, about the features and the pricing. So you can see here the first plan which is start from on Microsoft is we can compare from right to left, right? Because this is what I can see this number increasing here. So we can see this is the first plan Microsoft is like free one, and this one you get this is for the one person, this is for the personal use, and you get a 5 GB of cloud storage and 15 GB of maximum mailbox storage. And this will work on the Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. This is all the four operating systems are supported for this Microsoft 365 OneDrive. And you can have this Outlook.com emails and calendars. And this will support the mobile and web version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, OneNote, and OneDrive and other apps. So when you have a personal, you can use this free of cost with the 5 GB of. So this is the hot point which we are discussing here, the 5 GB of cloud storage. The second one is like Microsoft 365 Basics. So in which if you buy this, they will cost you 14994 per year, and this is the INR. And if you open this if you open this link on your in your country, it will show you in the dollar or any other values. So this is for the one person, and you get the 100 GB of cloud storage, plus you get the 50 GB of mailbox storage. And this will again work on all these four operating system, and you can get the web and mobile version of the Word, Powerful, Excel. So web browser is like when you open this OneDrive, there would be or we'll have this in our lab section. So when you open this one, it will show you you can work on the Excel, Word, and Power. I'll show you in the next one. And this is the ad-free Outlook and mobile email calendars with the advanced security feature, and access to the Microsoft Support Expert. Like you get the basic support here, which is not in the free version. Along with that, you have a OneDrive and Outlook apps available in this plan. And the third plan is Microsoft 365 Personal, which costs you 4899 per year. This is again this is in INR, and you can see this is again for the one person, and you can use up to 1 TB of cloud storage. You can see here the previous plan was 100 GB, but here you have a 1 TB of cloud storage plus 50 GB of your mailbox storage. 50 GB of your mail, which is comparatively good. And again, this will work on your all those four operating Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android operating system. And the best part is that the premium desktop web and mobile version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and other apps are available. That means when you have this plan and you can download it and install Word, Excel, and PowerPoint on your screen. I mean, you don't have to buy any other additional Office 365 package to do this. So this is the best part of this package. And this is the ad free of the Outlook web, desktop, and mobile email. So you get Outlook for your desktop, mobile, and email. Calendar with the advanced security features. So these are the advanced security features are built in this one. And this is the advanced file photo protection with the OneDrive. So this is again you have a advanced file. I mean you'll get the encryption and the other security features in this plan, right? And this is the again you have access to this Microsoft support. And you have any problem with any apps or anything, you can contact with Microsoft expert. And this is the device. So this is device and data and device version Microsoft Defender. That means Microsoft Defender. Microsoft Defender is an antivirus program which protect your data and your device. And you have a cool Copilot Pro available for add-ons. So Copilot is nothing but a AI-based program. Let me show you. This is similar to a ChatGPT. You can see here. Um, this is the AI-based program. This is a generative AI, so which help is a similar work like your ChatGPT. And these are the additional premium features which you get along with these features with this plan. You can see here. Now let's move it to the third plan, which is Microsoft 365 Family. And you can see here this costs you 6,199 rupees per year, which is there for up to six people, right? And you can use up to 6 GB cloud storage, 1 GB, 1 TB per person. I mean, if you have this plan, you can share between the six people, and one individual can use up to 1 TB. And then you get the 50 GB of mail storage again, and this will work on all the operating system. So there's all these plans will work on all this. When either of you, even though the free one you can see here, this will work on your all the operating systems, right? And this is the premium desktop web. Again, you have a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNotes, and other apps will you can download it and use on your desktop. And if you want to know how to use these applications on your Windows, do let me know in the comment. I'll help you to do that. And then again, it's ad-free Outlook, web, desktop, and mobile email and calendar with this advanced security features are available. Again, we have advanced files, photos, and protection with the OneDrive. So your files and protection the encrypted, right? And access the Microsoft support expert. And this is the data and device protection to the entire family and Microsoft Defender. So this is the best part. Like you can use in this. This is for the one TD. The previous plan was 4899, which is again for the one person. But here, when you pay the few bucks extra, you get up to this plan is up to six people, and you can use the 6 TB of the space between. You can share between the six people. So when you have a family, I would recommend to use this plan. This is the best one. Now let's go back to the business. So you can hear business, you can see this is the OneDrive for business, this is the plan one. So when you pay 415 rupees uh, per month, this is for a per user, and per month this is a 415 rupees, and this will allow you to get the file sharing. Means you can share your files on with the Microsoft, I mean any other users, and then you have a 1 TB of cloud storage. And what service you get is just a OneDrive along with this plan. This is for the business, and this is just OneDrive for business. The other one is Microsoft 365 Business Basic. So this is 365 business. When you pay for this is for 140 right, 145 rupees per month per user. And when you have this plan, this you can utilize this identity access and user management up to 300 employees. So this is completely for your business. Let's say business means when you have a domain. Let's say you have a domain called xyz.com, and when you buy this for when you buy this subscription plan for your xyz domain, then you get custom emails like your business. And this is for per user. Like per user it will cost you 145 rupees for your xyz.com, and then you get this features, right? And this is available for your I mean you can use the mobile version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, and chat, call, and video conferencing with the Microsoft. So Microsoft Teams is available this plans. Whosoever is like you may aware of the Microsoft Teams, but Like I just let you know that Microsoft Teams is nothing but your video conferencing application. It's just like your Zoom, right? How you use a Zoom, the similar way it's working, but it's tightly integration with the Microsoft product. And you get one type TB of cloud storage per employees plus 10 additional app for business need, right? You get a booking planner, Microsoft Forms, and other things. If you want to know about these booking planner, Microsoft Forms, do let me in the comment box. I will explain you about these all these apps, and this will automatically spam and malware filtering. So guys, when you have this professional business email, you need to protect them from spammer and malware, right? For that, you need to have firewalls and lots of other hardwares, but Microsoft giving you this inbuilt in this plan, so this is good. You don't have to buy any additional hardware for spam and malware filtering. And this anytime phone and web support, so you can call the customer support by phone or the web support. Including with this, you get this Microsoft Team Exchange, OneDrive, and SharePoint. The other option is Microsoft Business Standard is like you have to pay 770 fee per month, and along with that you get a desktop version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So here in 145 there is no desktop version, but here you can pay you here you can get the desktop version of your Outlook and Word, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Right? This is the need of the business, and this is not the webinar attendance registration and reporting. So whenever you have a team meeting and webinar, you can get the attendee registration, right? So when you have, let's say, when you have this plan, you can organize the webinar with your Microsoft Teams, and you can see, you can open the registration and reporting like how many people have registered for a webinar and how many people have logged in, what time they are logged in, and all. This information will be captured through the Microsoft team. And this is the collaborative workspace to cooperate using the Loop. So Loop is a Microsoft very cool stuff. If you want to explore this Loop option, please do let me in the comment. I will try to explore this. And video editing design tool with the Climchamp. This is all those good Microsoft tools which come along with this plan, 770 plan. And this is a Copilot. Again, this Copilot for Microsoft is available on the add-ons, so you can have these add-ons added to your browser in these plans. And you can see here you get a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, OneDrive, SharePoint, Exchange, Chipman, and Microsoft Loop. So this is good about the business. So anything which you know about more, please do let me in the comment box, and I will try to answer it. So that's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching my video.